Hey guys, this is RJ from RJ Tech, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of the TicPods Free brought to you by Mobboy. So sit back, relax, grab some snacks, and enjoy. This is the TicPods Free. It's from a company called Mobboy based in China. For those of you that don't know, this company was founded in 2012 and is an AI company that developed Chinese voice recognition and natural language processing for the ever-popular app WeChat. Quickly after, they made their first attempt at a smartwatch for both iOS and Android called the TicWatch. They soon followed that up with the TicWatch S and E, and more recently the TicWatch Pro. Let's take a look at the back of the box, which features all of the earbuds technical specifications. So these earbuds do come with in-ear detection, meaning that when you put the earbud into your ears, they automatically detect and connect to your phone via Bluetooth. It has intuitive touch control, meaning that you can slide up or down on the earbuds to increase or decrease the volume. It comes with voice assistant support, featuring Google Assistant and Siri, ambient noise cancellation, noise isolation, which obviously isn't featured in the AirPods, unfortunately, 18 hours of battery life, fast charging, and call audio in both earbuds. Alright, so let's get down to the actual unboxing of the TicPods Free. So here we go. Inside the box here we have the actual TicPods inside a carrying case. And here are the two earbuds that come with it. These are magnetized, so when you put it back in, they cut back into place. Just gonna put that aside for a second. And we have this carrying strap, which you could attach to the carrying case. Put that aside too. And this is the charging cables that come inside the box. So this is a micro USB cable. Just gonna put that to the side. And we have this manual here that no one actually ever reads. Just some information about TicPods. I'm just going to do a quick comparison with the Apple Airpods, its closest competitor. It's actually massive compared to the AirPods. The AirPods are much more compact. These do feel pretty sturdy in the hand. They do feel like a premium product, but the AirPods are much more compact. I'll be doing a comparison and review soon on both the TicPods versus the AirPods. So if you're interested, stay tuned.